Forex. What is Forex leverage? Understanding leverage in Forex correctly. Welcome to our video on Forex leverage. If you're new to Forex trading or have been around but still feel unsure about how leverage works, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain what Forex leverage is, how it works, and how to use it correctly to maximize your potential while minimizing your risk. We'll break down the concept of leverage into simple terms, showing how it allows traders to control larger positions in the Forex market with a smaller amount of capital. How leverage works in Forex trading. Understand the mechanics of leverage, including how brokers provide it and the role it plays in both profits and losses. The pros and cons of using leverage. Leverage can be a double-edged sword. We'll discuss its benefits, like boosting potential returns, and its risks, such as amplifying losses if not managed carefully. Tips to use leverage wisely. Learn actionable strategies to protect your trading account, avoid common pitfalls, and make the most of leverage. Why understanding leverage is crucial for Forex traders. Many traders jump into the Forex market without fully understanding leverage, only to lose money quickly. By grasping how it works and using it responsibly, you can trade with confidence, manage risks effectively, and set yourself up for long-term success. If you're looking to trade Forex on a reliable and trusted platform, we've got you covered. We've partnered with one of the best Forex brokers in the industry to provide you with a secure and professional trading experience. Right finger open your account now using the link in the description or pinned comment and get access to competitive spreads, excellent customer support, and advanced trading tools. Help us grow our community. If you found this video helpful, checkmark like this video to support our work. Checkmark share it with your fellow traders or anyone looking to learn about Forex. Checkmark subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Forex trading tips and tutorials. Got questions about Forex leverage or trading? Let us know in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and let's master the Forex market together. Rock it!
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just